Are you considering buying or selling a home? Or maybe you're a realtor helping clients navigate the complex world of real estate. When it comes to crawl space, basement, and foundation repair and waterproofing, it's important to know who to trust. Today, we'll discuss why you should think twice before relying solely on a home inspector for these critical services. Did you know that becoming a licensed home inspector can take as little as 5 weeks? That's right, just 3 weeks of classroom or online training and 2 weeks in the field. While this may provide a basic understanding of how home inspections work, it falls short when it comes to specialized areas like crawl spaces, basements, or foundations. Many home inspectors today use remote-controlled cars with cameras similar to GoPros to inspect crawl spaces. However, this method has its limitations. You simply cannot see all the necessary details by relying solely on this approach. Comprehensive assessments require hands-on inspections and a deep understanding of the specific issues at hand. Additionally, home inspectors are generalists. They don't specialize in any one area. That's why it's crucial to have access to trusted contractors who specialize in crawl space, basement, and foundation repairs and waterproofing. And just a side note, a good home inspector should have a list of trusted professionals that they can refer you to. Did you know that home inspectors are also only required to get 12 hours of continuing education? Now, not all 12 of these hours are going to be in one specific field. It could be on roofing, siding, electrical, plumbing. While this ensures some level of ongoing education, it may not be sufficient to keep up with the ever-evolving field of crawl space, basement, and foundation repairs. Furthermore, home inspectors often lack knowledge about pricing, warranties, guarantees, and other critical aspects of repair and waterproofing services. They also may not fully understand the conversations that take place between the contractor and the buyer or seller, and they may not know the expectations that were or need to be set. And here's the biggest problem. Home inspectors rarely invest enough time and effort into understanding the root cause of problems like settling homes, sagging floors, foundation damage, or water intrusion. They may offer suggestions and ideas, but when things go wrong, they typically wash their hands of the situation and tell you to call specialists. That's where we come in. HydroHelp911 specializes in waterproofing and structural repairs and nothing else. Our employees are W-2 employees, not temp workers or subcontractors. We provide a written and transferable warranty for all of our services, ensuring your peace of mind. We are committed to ongoing education and train specifically tailored to our niche services. We stay up to date with the latest technology, techniques, and industry advancements to provide you with the best solutions for your crawl space, basement, and foundation repair needs. And most importantly, we are vested in your community, our community. When we work on a project, our fleet of wrapped trucks and the hundreds of free videos that we put out, like this one, make it clear that we are here to help. We take pride in our work and transparency, leaving no room for doubts or hidden agendas. If you need help, anything related to crawl space, basements, or foundation repair or waterproofing, feel free to check us out on our YouTube channel, any of our social media, or our website, or you can always call or text at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a great day.